Yeah, Silver Mountain sucks. You should never come here because the park chair is closed and they don't groom their damn terrain park and you can't do anything. And it's very gay.
And look around.
Yeah, just look around, okay? Powder. How do you get on that rainbow rail? I don't know. There's a flat box down there. And then we got this that we had to, this long thing. It's really sick, but it's gay because there's too much powder. And then there's some jibs, like barrels and stuff like that. And then there's that huge tree with the thing going up to it, but you can't hit that because of the powder. And there's some more stuff up top. And we'll start heading down right here.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, it's very gay. Okay, there's the flat box. Okay, hold on. Okay, there's some more shit down there, but that looks pretty doable. And I guess we'll head down there because there's a C box. Alright, I don't know what that is right there, but I don't know how that's gonna work. Let's check that out. This right here is a gay little down rail. Again, the jump is covered with powder, so you can't hit that little gay thing, but you won't want to hit that anyways. There's a C box right there, but that's gay because you can't hit it. And I guess we'll keep heading down. Hold on.